Thank you so much for watching this video. As the title says, why you can't make money online with affiliate marketing. The problem that a lot of people have with affiliate marketing or the cost model is that everybody comes online and they teach you that you buy traffic and you push this traffic to your link and then you start making money, which is a false model that most of the leaders promote. It's like a get rich way of thinking, because like for example, you come online, they will tell you you buy traffic, you do solo ads. If you spend $1, you will make $2. You spend $2, you make $4. You spend $10,000, you are hoping to make $20,000, which is a big flaw, because you are sending traffic to this link, and some of the traffic may not even click on your link. What is wrong with this model? The problem with this model is that when it comes to something like Amazon, you are an affiliate on the Amazon or ClickBank, you are an affiliate of Amazon or ClickBank. When you send the traffic to your link, what happens is, let's say the customer buys or clicks on your link and they buy a product, then who owns the customer? Is it you that owns the customer, or is it the company that owns the customer? Most of the money that people make on affiliate marketing is not from the front end sale, is from the back end sale. So what happens is that when a person clicks on your link, the company now has the customer's information, so they will try to upsell them on whatever they bought from your link. They will upsell them to the point that they will make more money from this customer, because they will see what the customer bought and they will find complementary or supplementary products to what the customer bought and try to upsell the customer on this product. And at the end of it, they own the customer, not you. So maybe you have made some commission by like the front end sale, but the company makes more commission, or they make more money from the customer through the back end sale. That's where the real money is. When you're making money online, it's the back end sale that makes the money. So the way to get around this is that when you are promoting your affiliate link, always try to get the email and the name of your customer. So when you have the email and the name of your customer, you can sell them or promote what you are promoting, and then later on you can even give them other options and upsell them what other things that you ask for leads, ask for their emails, and then with that you are the one that owns the customer, not the company owning the customer. I hope this helps you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I have other videos talk about generating leads online, about making money online, and how to promote your affiliate product, whatever you are doing that's related online. I have some videos there that can help you. So subscribe to this channel, put in your email, and if you have any comments, put it in the comment section below. I will be able to connect with you. Click on the notification button so that next time when I come online, you should be able to get what I'm there to share. Leave a comment, and if you are struggling or you have any questions that you like to ask, leave the question in the comment section so that I can do some other videos concerning the struggles that you have with your affiliate program. So as I said, my number one recommendation for an affiliate program that you can watch or you can do is in the description link below. So click on that link, and it's going to take you to the program that I promote. It's amazing. Subscribe to this channel, and I promote an affiliate program. As I said, it might interest you and you might be able to learn more. We have a community and they share knowledge, and they share videos, and they share information about how to promote your affiliate program. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Victorine, and I really appreciate your time. Until the next video, I will be seeing you soon. Bye for now.